suddenly when Aam Aadmi starts attacking, they start breaking alliance whether Haryana or Gujarat or Delhi. तरी पूण म्हाका दिसता there was a guarded response from Congress. But एक वीक पयलीं, एक देड वीक पयलीं जे when their convener, national convener came, येता म्हणसरूच attack जालो. So there we were little suspicious. At least हांव तरी suspicious because they were targeting the party president in Goa. तूं national convener. आपूण फ्लायटार येताना म्हज्या सायडीक कोण बशिल्लो. It doesn't, it is unbecoming of a national leader like Kejriwal making that statement. So we felt there was some ulterior motive to that. They want to break away, fine, but people will decide afterwards. You know, so आयज पासून आमच्या सायडीन तसले रिटेलिएटरी फायरिंग पळय जाता ते जावंक ना.